The third factor we need to consider is the electrical safety of the solar PV installation and the conduit requirements for that. First, installation. The electrical conduits used in PV installations should have appropriate insulation properties to prevent the electrical leakage and ensure the safety of individuals and equipment. This helps to minimize the risk of electrical shock, short circuits, and electrical faults. Second, fire resistance. PV installations require electrical conduits with good fire resistance properties to help minimize the risk of fire-related accidents and damage to the installation. Third, voltage rating. The electrical conduits must have a suitable voltage rating that can safely handle the high voltage levels present in the PV system. Fourth, current capacity. The electrical conduits should have sufficient cross-sectional area and conductive capacity to prevent overheating and voltage drop. Leakage solar conduit is non-conductive, insulative, fire-resistant, can handle voltage rating and high current transmission, ensure the electrical safety of the system. Follow us for more.